Hey, Midwest Picker here. Man, am I tired. I don't know if you know this, but I'm an RN. I got redeployed because of the public health emergency. My feet are killing me. I just got home. I don't know how Kat, the nurse flipper, does it. She's a real nurse. She works full time, plus she's a reseller, plus a YouTube content creator. I'm a chart auditor working from home. And I spent the whole day, not the whole day, actually, it was like 3 hours on standing on my feet. I was like, oh my gosh, I want to die. I'm so tired. But, anyways, enough of that whining. My name's Dave. I'm a full time RN, full time husband, father, part time reseller, part time YouTube content creator. I make these videos to help people new to reselling. Even if you're not new to reselling, they're helpful. What's sold on eBay, BOLOs, sourcing videos. I even have how-to videos linked down below if you're new to reselling, how to list, how to source, how to write a description, how to research, how to determine what platform to sell on, local pickup, shipping, all that kind of stuff. So check those out if you want. I'm glad you're here. Today is an unboxing video. So I won 2 auctions from Mr. BuysALot. Hey Enoch, can you bring up a picture of Mr. BuysALot? Enoch's going to be in charge of pictures today, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, Brian Davis. Okay, there we go. He knows him as Brian. I know him as Mr. BuysALot. So, okay, so this is Mr. BuysALot, or Brian Davis, from Allentown, Pennsylvania. And lately he's been doing live auctions on his YouTube channel. The schedule might change by the time you watch this, but currently it's every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You do have to be registered to bid. I'm going to unbox what I won. I won 2 lots, a small one and a big one. He put them together in one giant box, so we're going to unbox that. As I unbox it, Enoch is in charge of showing you comps, so hopefully he puts it up here somewhere. And he's going to use his crystal necklace right there to research comps or comparables or what these items have sold for. Doesn't mean I'm going to get that price, but it gives you a good ballpark idea of what they're worth. I just note, where did you get this hat? You don't even like the Blue Devils. Yeah, okay, anyway, he's always got something going on here. So before I do the unboxing, I want to give a shout out to my YouTube friend Richard. He has a great YouTube channel and he's creating more and more content. He has what's sold on eBay videos, sourcing videos, haul videos, garage sale videos. I call him Ford Pinto, but if you look him up on YouTube, Enoch, put a picture of Richard's, his YouTube channel up here. And if you read it wrong, you would say Otnip Drop Flips, which makes no sense. Ford Pinto spelled backwards. So check out his YouTube channel, subscribe to him, show him some love. He's a great guy and he's making more and more content. It's very valuable information. And if you do visit, just put it in the comments, Midwest Picker and Enoch sent you. And check out his videos, watch some of the older ones. Older videos are great. I've got older ones, he's got older ones. Those are great to watch for research to see, what sells, what you can actually get for items. That way you don't waste your time sourcing the wrong items or overspending. And one more quick shout out too. We had a charity auction for Jennifer a few days ago. It's almost been a week now. And I won a lot of 2 of these action figures. These were donated by Derek, Fundamentals of Side Hustling. Enoch, put Derek's picture up here. Yeah, check out Derek's YouTube channel. Go check him out, subscribe, show him some love. He's got a great channel too. He does a lot of live videos. And he donated, I'm going to show you these 2 action figures. So I bid on these, this one, Austin Powers, and this one, and I won the auction. I think it was 25 bucks, right? And he shipped them really quick, but he's such a cool guy. He gave me a 3rd one for free. That's crazy. So big shout out to Derek. Thank you very much. I got 1, 2, 3. I can't even hold them all. So thank you, Derek, for donating those action figures to the charity auction. And then thank you for sending me 3. That was fantastic. Derek also donated a brand new laptop, new in the box, for the auction. That was fantastic. So 2 great YouTubers. Check them out. Make sure you put in the comments if you visit them. Midwest Picker and Enoch sent me here. So now let's get into this unboxing. I don't know how long this is going to take, but we're going to cut open the box. And I'm just going to quickly show you what I got, and then Enoch, you know, Johnny on the spot, snap, put your back into it. He's going to look up comps on the fly, so I don't have to do any post-production research or anything. Enoch's going to do it all for me on the fly. So here we go. Gosh, this is super heavy. And I know you can't see the box, but I'm going to hold the items up. So I'm just going to use my Midwest picker to slice this thing open. And if you don't know Brian, he does a fantastic job of shipping and packaging items. This is so heavy, it's going to break my back. Okay, here we go. So sometimes I forget what I buy. So I won 2 lots. I won a smaller lot. Oops, sorry, don't hit the tripod. I won a smaller lot. I think it was 30 bucks. I'm not sure. Of salt and pepper shakers and small kitchen items. And then a bigger ephemera lot. I don't know what that was. Maybe 200? I'd have to look it up. I don't know. I got it written down somewhere. So I'm going to unbox it and show it to you. So the first item are these. I'm pretty sure they're vintage cookie cutters made out of metal. You got moon and stars and spade and clubs, hearts and diamonds. I don't even remember winning this. There's that. Enoch will put up some comps for you. Sorry for the noise. Tons of bubble wrap, let me tell you. This is a comic walls. There's a little wall hanging. It's a reproduction comic book of Iron Man. Looks like that on the back, and you hang that on the wall. It's a great wall decoration. Might sell it, might keep it. Lots of small postcard. A religious picture. There's going to be a lot. Here's a brochure on air power. It's got like a big jet on it. I love ephemera because it's very collectible and it ships cheap. Next are luggage labels. If you didn't know, people do collect luggage labels. Got this one. Is it Missouri, New Mexico? Different luggage labels have different value depending on the age and the location. Just got a bunch of them here. I'm going to list these individually because people who live in these areas would be interested. There's another Arizona. I mean, you could lot them up, but I've seen them listed on eBay, and Enoch's going to put the, you are putting them up, aren't you? Because he's going to make me look stupid if he's not putting them up. I see these listed on eBay individually. Anything with the Native American on it always does well. So those are very cool. Luggage labels are neat. Here's just a little paperback. Murder Mystery Monthly. Nice little booklet. I'll have Enoch look that up. Man, I just got a bunch. Yeah, it's like a notebook with Batman on it. Still brand new in the package. Oop, got 2 of them. Oop, got 3 of them. So this is kind of like stationery or notebooks. A stag fun package. Yeah, I don't know what that is. If it's family friendly or not. Some of the salt and pepper shakers got like this bowl. Like that. I think they're plastic. It might be wood though. Got this one. This one. This is a vintage cookie press. Put the dough in there, and then you smash it, and you get all these shapes. Some more salt and pepper shakers. Cute little guys here. You can see the holes. Just little wooden ones. Salt and pepper shakers are very collectible. So are paperweights and snow globes. Some of that stuff you can find easily at thrift stores because people don't think they have value. Some old Union bumper stickers. Proud to be Union. Old Crest toothpaste box. If it's old enough, people do collect this stuff. Cereal boxes, toothpaste, anything like that. Got a movie poster. I don't remember this being in the lot. I don't know if this was a mystery lot or if Brian showed everything. I don't remember, but I don't remember movie posters. Wonder if he threw these in as a bonus. I don't know. Then this is, I can't believe this. Really? Well, here's a movie poster for West Side Story. I don't remember this in the auction. I don't know if Brian threw that in or what. He's been known to do that. When you win something, he'll throw extra stuff in as a bonus. I'm not really sure. I can't even remember what I won. But it's not so much a poster. It's like, I don't know what you call it, but you could frame it as a poster. It's got like 5 pages to it. That's very cool. Yeah, these are like, I wouldn't call them newspapers because they're glossy. But here's another one. The ugly ones. I don't know what that is. But then it's got this back on it. So tell me in the comments if you know what this is. It's not a lobby card. You know, it's got an inside to it like this. But I have no idea what it is, really. But you could definitely, it says press book. Okay. United Artists press book. That is really cool. I'm going to have to research what a press book is. This is miscellaneous. George C. Scott, The Hospital. I really don't know what that is. Press book. Learn something new every day. Vigilante Force. Cool graphics there. This is cool. Wendy's Kids Meals boxes with Alf on it. So it looks like that. They look brand new, like they've never been used before. Got 4 total, new and unused, with Alf. The McDonald's Happy Meal, Tailspin. Sorry for the lighting. Don't know what that is. Howard Johnson's children's menu. It's got great graphics on the front there. Menus and placemats, if you didn't know, do sell well. They are collectible. Yeah, I do remember. I remember this one. He said this is an underground comic, and it's volume 1, called The Rubber Brothers. There's an audience and a customer for everything. Enoch, are you looking this stuff up? The Rubber Brothers. If there's none on eBay, he's not going to be able to find it. I don't have a year on it. Mad Magazine sticker album. I don't see a year or a price, so it's hard to date it, but we'll have to do research on that. Yeah, this is Westinghouse International Defense and Space News. It's kind of like a glossy, I don't know what you would call it, handout. I think he said these go to the employees. This isn't for public use, it's employees only. So the employees got it, and then it's got a little note attached to it too. I'm only halfway, I don't even know if I'm halfway through. Irene souvenir album. Got an actress on the back. Not sure who or what that is, but it's got like, looks like a bumper sticker for Newberry Comics. Ice Follies. Nice protective sleeve for that. That looks vintagey, probably 1950s. I don't know what this is. Nixon as Superman. Hard stock cardboard. Might have to use Google Lens on that, Enoch, because do you have Google Lens? Yeah, I don't know. Old coaster for Ballantine beer. People do collect these old vintage coasters too. It's like an old magazine, but it's not glossy. It's just regular paper, like newspaper paper, called The Nation. Never heard of that one. 1966, that's the year I was born. Got a second one and a third one. Got some cool calendars, 1996 calendars, which you can reuse if you wanted to. but it's the character, I think it's she. All in protective sleeves, very nice. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of the same calendar. She. 1974 Allie Oop. Kind of like a newspaper type comic. Got another one. Prince Valiant. Got Superman on the back. Almost looks like a newspaper, but very heavy stock. Yeah, not sure what that is. She again. And 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 5 more she calendars. These are called replenishable because they're basically all the same and they're sealed in the plastic, so I only have to do 1 listing and then say like 9 available. These are like heavy stock. These are like mini posters. You got this one. This one. Very nice. Easy to ship. Oh, this big magazine called Collier's. Got a funny cover on it. What year is that? 1959. Got some vintage cereal boxes, are very collectible. What's cool is they have an expiration date. 1991 is the expiration date, but we've got alphabets, little kids on there. Yep, Fruity Pebbles. Alphabet. Somebody really liked alphabets. Alphabets. Honeycomb. Whoops. Honeycomb. So yeah, those are collectible. Obviously, the older the better, but very collectible. And then part of the smaller lot, which I forgot to show you, is this little wooden recipe box. And it's got a bunch of these guys in it. Yeah, so this is for marking steak. So if you have guests over, you can mark their steak with these little things. That's pretty cool. Alright, so that's it, guys. That's the video. Thanks for watching it for this long. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and put comments down below. Did you see anything that you're interested in buying? I always give my viewers a good deal. So just contact me through email. You can go to midwestpicker.com. You can contact me through Instagram. We can work out a deal. I don't mind selling. These items to viewers at all. It's going to take me a long time to list these on eBay, so you've got plenty of time. And if you get a chance, check out Brian, Mr. BuysALot, and his live auctions. Thanks to Enoch for all of his help in this video. That's it, guys. Until next time, see ya.